Racing just is started. We have Fleetwood. Break quickly restart. Dance Rose is on the outside. Tremendous Ethan para sa amin. Then comes Hardway. Atoy for us. The real thing. Saba in the middle portion. Then going along for the first turn. We have Atoy for us. Now takes command by our head Fleetwood. This on the outside second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Dance Rose. Next online is para sa amin. The real thing, and on the outside is Tremendous Ethan. Hardway comes next while Saba now racing in last back to the leader. We have Dance Rose now takes command by what I know. Fleetwood is down on the inside. The real thing comes next. Tremendous Ethan moving up Hardway. Down on the inside is Atoy for us para sa amin while Saba still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Fleetwood by our nose. Dance Rose is on the outside. Coming closer now in third is the real thing. And as they swing for home, we have Fleetwood followed by Dance Rose in second. The real thing is racing down on the inside third. Last 100 meters, we have Fleetwood moving up on the outside is Dance Rose. Fleetwood, Dance Rose is on the outside, but it's still Fleetwood. Dance Rose, then comes the real thing para sa amin and Hardway for your Benta Pekta.
Alright, 37248 unofficial placings natin.